Hi, this is Irene from Zhuhai Shangye Electronic Technology Company, a professional e-bike factory with 15 years. Electric folding bikes have been a staple of the urban commuter for years. Whether your commute involves a train ride or your apartment has limited storage, the ability to fold away adds a level of convenience that other bikes cannot offer. So today I'd like to introduce a folding e-bike to you. This bike is Hotebike A1. The motor is 36 volts, 350 watts rear hub motor, powered by a detachable 10 Ah battery, which is hidden inside the aluminum alloy frame. It's easily stored and folded, and very quick unfold and fold again. Not outrageously heavy for a 20-inch wheel folding electric bike at 19 kilograms. It is very neatly integrated bike that can offer 60 kilometers of assistance. Its 7-speed shifter offers a good spread of ratios to conserve battery life and power you up steep urban inclines. If you are interested in this bike, please contact us on our Alibaba store. Thanks.